What is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Now, in this video, I'm going to be going over the 2 ways to make money with affiliate marketing, 7 different affiliate programs you can sign up with, and 8 different traffic sources. Now, I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost 8 years now, and I've made millions of dollars with it, and I'll be breaking everything down that you need to get started and make some serious money with this. Let's get it. So first, you've got to understand the business model to understand the 2 ways to make money. Now, let's start out, for instance, in saying that there's a customer who wants to buy a watch online. So the customer goes online and searches for watches, and they find a great watch that they want to buy, okay? Now, the person who owns the watch is called the product owner, okay, because they created the watch. Maybe they are Casio or Sony or whatever, and they have an affiliate program that, let's say, John affiliate, signed up with. So in many affiliate programs, people split the profits 50-50. Okay, so 50% of the money goes here and 50% of the money goes to the affiliate who markets it. Now, this affiliate, John, let's call him, put up an ad on Facebook and said, hey, I have a great watch. The customer bought it. Now, in that case, the customer paid $100 and the product owner makes $50 and the affiliate makes $50 for marketing it. These are the 3 main components of affiliate marketing. The product owner who has an affiliate program, the affiliate who's selling it, and the customer. And the 2 ways to make money in the affiliate marketing ecosystem is you can have a product and have other affiliates promote it, or you can be the affiliate and make money marketing products. So let's look at 2 examples, and then I'm going to get into the 7 different affiliate networks and 8 different traffic sources that you can use to start affiliate marketing. Now, here I am on a website called recordingnow.com. This is actually the website of another famous affiliate / YouTuber called ODI. So if we look under here, under his gear reviews, we'll see he reviews different headphones. Okay, a lot of people, before they spend a lot of money on an expensive headphone set, they'll look at a review of the product, to make sure that other people are saying it's cool and, it's worthwhile. Now, as you'll see here, he has his affiliate links right here at the bottom. Do you see that? He says, order the Beats Solo 3 wireless headphones here for the lowest price available. Do not pay retail. And he has links from Amazon's affiliate program right here. Every person who buys after clicking on this link, he will end up making about 5% on. So 5% of $300 is about $15. So that's pretty good. Everybody who visits his page. And there could be thousands of people that are searching to buy these headphones. I think even millions of people buy the Beats by Dre. So you could make a lot of money, 15 times a lot of people. Here's another example of somebody using affiliate links. So here's a famous YouTuber called Peter McKinnon. You see he has 3 million subscribers. You may not have heard of him before, but 3 million other people have. And a lot of people watch his videos. So now you'll see right here, he has a video that's been viewed a lot of times. And do you see all of these? He talks about digital photography and video, making videos. He's very good at it. Now you'll see right here, he has, new Lightroom preset pack. He has a link which goes to his affiliate links. So he will make money every time somebody buys that product, okay? And you can see more stuff here. Once again, his camera here, he has Amazon affiliate links to Amazon's affiliate program right here. He has a lot of affiliate links, in fact, that he's using to make money. Now, Peter McKinnon is a very influential photographer, and I want you to look at the price of some of his products that he's selling as an affiliate on his site. Now, he does a very good job of making people want to get good into video, but keep in mind that 5% number while we look at how expensive some of these products are that he gets people to buy. $5,000. Look at this camera. This camera is $5,000. That's $5,000 right there, baby. That is a lot of money. And if we do the math right here, let's bring this up right here. We do the math, and $5,499 times 0.05%. He makes a cool $274 every time somebody buys this camera. It's the #1 affiliate link on his thing. And this video has been viewed by 1.5 million aspiring videographers, right? A lot of people who are watching this stuff are, you know, generally speaking, they're aspiring to go into like some sort of video-based, you know, photography sort of work. All he has to do is sell one of those a day. One of those a day. He doesn't even have to send it out. He doesn't have to call anybody. He doesn't have to support anybody. He just shoots his videos and he's making some cool money here. And he has a lot more stuff. As you can see, there's a lot more stuff that goes into it. Look at this, his favorite lens ever. How much is this? $1,500. Look at that. That's $1,500. That's a lot of money. And that's an additional, what is it? Like something like 5% of that is, it's like $75. So there's a lot of money. He's in a very, very, very valuable niche. So now a lot of the people that follow Peter are not just looking, it's a very high-priced hobby or job to get into, you know, photography and videography, you know. So he's in a great place to be an affiliate marketer, and he gets to have fun doing it because he's just talking about the stuff he loves all day. He's shooting videos, he's doing cool stuff, and he's motivating other people to do the same sort of stuff. So I love that. Let's check out how else, you know, some good affiliate programs. You heard about Amazon right here, but let's look at some good affiliate programs other than Amazon that you can get started with selling products on. So first off, I just gotta mention Amazon. Amazon is the biggest affiliate program out there. It'll pay you 5%, which is not a lot, but it can add up, as you've seen, if you're selling high-priced goods. And their program is called Amazon Associates. And you can see right here, you can join for free. These don't cost anything to join. Affiliate programs pay you, okay? They pay you money. And I got all this money here just, you know, because this is a fraction of what I earn each year with affiliate marketing. Just to kind of give you an idea, my business does almost $7 million per year. If it sounds nuts, I don't have any employees. Sounds absolutely insane, but it's true. It's a huge market, but I won't go into my business. This is about you right now. Look, see, join, advertise, and earn. And you can have Amazon, this is Amazon, pay you money. Just like they pay Peter McKinnon, just like they pay me, just like they pay ODI Productions, okay? Now next is the second program is Walmart. It's called Affiliate Link Program, and you can become a Walmart affiliate by referring customers to walmart.com. So just as you saw, and we're gonna go into the different traffic sources in just a second, but first I want to show you how you can make that money. So you can make money from Walmart. Walmart pays you to send people to their website, okay? Target will pay you to send people to their website. And if you're wondering how you find these links, you can just search Target affiliate, Walmart affiliate, Amazon affiliate, or you can go down to the bottom of the site and you can see right here, you can see in the footer, see that link, affiliates, right there. You just click that link and it'll take you to Target affiliates, okay? Join today, signing up is free, and as you see, you can earn up to 8% on products. 8% of anything you sell. People are already shopping at Target. People are already buying these products. And you can earn up to 8% of everything they buy. That's pretty good, okay? And not only that, but you don't even have to be at the store. You can sell to people all around the world. So the internet is huge, and with the population surpassing 7 billion people on this planet, the opportunity to make money online is beyond your comprehension. I want to explain that to you. It's beyond your comprehension, just a small slice of it. eBay has an affiliate program they call their partner network, okay? So sometimes affiliate marketing, people think affiliate marketers are aggressive, or they, you know, marketers is kind of like the same word as like salespeople, but they make a lot of money for people, so everybody has an affiliate program now. And here it says, get paid when people buy products. So you can earn money when people buy stuff on eBay. Now, this is a bit of a unique affiliate program, but I want to expose you to some like really interesting things that are out here. Now, Roehl is a trucking company, and check this out. How does an extra $1,500 sound? So what this affiliate program is this affiliate program is about referring people to become truck drivers. Every year, the trucking companies are growing, or people are leaving, or whatever, and they need more people to become truck drivers every year. Makes sense, right? There's always truck driving jobs. But the thing is, it's been getting harder and harder and harder for people to find new people to become truck drivers. Therefore, they offer a bounty. If you refer somebody who ends up becoming a truck driver, you will get $1,500. $1,500 for just referring somebody online to become a truck driver, right? Sounds silly, but you can do that real easily. And I'm gonna go over some of the traffic sources in just a second. I'm gonna go over 8 traffic sources in just a second here. But first, I want to get to my last 2 affiliate programs. The second to last one is my own product, okay? So my own product pays extremely well, okay? So I have an educational course on how to do affiliate marketing, okay? You can go through my educational course on how to do affiliate marketing. It's $1,000, but I also have coaching program, but anybody who goes into my training program, my educational course, which is an online training course, I offer very competitive commissions for affiliates to refer it or promote it. So every affiliate of mine makes about $500, and additionally, they earn $125 per month. Just to give you an idea. So my product is the top selling educational course on the internet, and you can check it out. You go to clickbank.com, okay? So if you want to sell that. ClickBank is an affiliate network. Now, the number one thing that I'm going to expose you to is, now this is the best niche. This is the niche that gets me so excited because the amount of money available in this niche is literally trillions of dollars more than any other niche. Now, this niche I'm about to show you makes the amount of money I have here seem small, but in fact, a lot of this came from me being an affiliate in this niche. This is the niche I started in, and I've been a major affiliate in for years. And that niche is the investment niche. Now, each year, trillions of dollars are being transferred back and forth between accounts, retirement providers, different things. Every year, literally trillions of dollars, more money than people buy on everything on Amazon combined, is being transacted in people's retirement accounts and investment accounts and savings accounts. The money is going around. Now, the investment niche, you can't invest with credit cards. You're investing with it's just cash that's floating up in the banks. And the Roehl Assets affiliate program allows you to make 3% of transfers that people make from their retirement accounts into different investment vehicles, okay? So Roehl Assets personally, they help people move their money around into precious metals, gold, silver, palladium, platinum, solar, wind farms, real estate, cryptocurrencies. They help people move their money around into alternative assets other than stocks. But with this program, you can earn 3%. The average deal is $80,000, okay? $80,000. So on average, you'll make a $2,500 commission. All you need is one click, one lead, one customer per month. They do all the sales for you. You just need to get their name, phone number, and email address of somebody who's interested in doing investing, and you can make $2,500 or more. I've made over $30,000 in a single commission. Just to give you an idea of what that is, $30,000 in a single commission is 1, 2, 3, and this would happen in one day. Okay, so just to give you an idea of that. So Regal Assets Affiliate Program, I'll put a link for it somewhere around here below the, in the description or something, so you can check that out. Now, how do you get people to click on your links, right? You're getting these links, you're getting these affiliate program links, and you're putting them up, just like Peter McKinnon did, or Recording ODI Productions did, where they're putting their links on their YouTube videos or their blog posts. How can you get people to click on your links, right? You want to make money. You want to get interested people. How do you market this stuff? Do you just text it to your friends? Do you just email it to your mom and dad and say, hey, mom, dad, click on my links? That is one way, but I'll give you some better ways that you can start earning money as a marketer. But you've got to put yourself in a salesperson's mindset. If you're just looking for a quick buck, then go home, stop being lazy, you dumb millennial, okay? If you're just looking for a quick way to make money without working, go home. Leave this channel, never come back. But if you're looking to work hard and actually do this, and actually build a sustainable business, here's what you do. Now, this may seem patronizing for some, but these are the ways to get traffic online. And if you stuck around to see these traffic sources, it's easy, it's obvious, it's not hard, okay? So don't think this is rocket science here. It's very straightforward. Facebook, Google, YouTube, and Instagram, you can post on them for free, or you can post ads on all of these places. On Facebook, you can set up a Facebook group, or you can set up a Facebook page, and you can post your affiliate links for free, okay? Let's say you want to post about investments, right? Start a Facebook group about alternative investment strategies. Easy. And then you post your Regal Assets links in there. Or you can put up Facebook ads to people who are in a position to invest. Boom. Google is the same thing. I showed you how you can do blog posts on Google. Google shows those blog posts for free, or you can pay Google to show up at the top. So you have ads or free blog posts. Either one will get people going to your affiliate links. Number 3 is YouTube. Now, YouTube is the #1 source for education. Right now, you're learning from me. There's a lot of education that goes on YouTube. I believe it's the future of education, which is really exciting. Now, if you want to promote educational programs such as, my training course on how to start an online business, or if you want to promote any training course, from like Kevin David or whatever, you can promote it through YouTube ads, or you can put up a video about whatever you're looking to teach people. So for instance, truck driving, right? You can put up a video, how to be a truck driver, and link to that referral program, sending people to how they can apply to be a truck driver. Does it make sense? Easy. And Instagram, same thing. You can put up posts for free on Instagram, or you can put up posts you can actually pay to advertise on Instagram. Now, as you see on Instagram, you can post a link in the description, right? So I have a link. If you want to join my course, for instance, and learn how to start an online biz, you can join right here and, put a link. If you're an affiliate, you would put your affiliate link there, and you just do daily posts on Instagram talking about whatever. But as long as they're interesting and people want to share them, that's the most important thing. Now, if you enjoyed this video, slam that subscribe button, like it, and also let me know in the comments what you're looking to learn in the future. What did you enjoy about this video? What would you like to know more about? What was your favorite part? Was it the traffic sources? Was it the affiliate programs? Or was it just kind of understanding the model of affiliate marketing with offer, owner, affiliate, and customer? Let me know in the comments what you liked and what you'd like to see more of.